unboxing the Pulsar side of the box Paracontrol right there, L. I absolutely love their packaging. I think it is extremely high-end looking, but very, very their own look. All right, let's get into this. If you want to check it out, Amazon links below. But this is one that, well, I love Pulsar. I think they do an awesome job. I think they've been doing an awesome job for a long time, and they're continuing to do an awesome job. And the first thing I notice is they're doing a really good job on this color. I saw this mouse pad and just immediately bought it because of how cool it looks, and it's from a brand that I really, really trust. Now, the first thing I notice is it's definitely like a hybrid, so it's a much harder surface on top, which should be a little bit faster. And I'm noticing it doesn't lay on the desk perfectly flat. It definitely does have some rolling to it. So let's see if we can roll this out with just a few rolls. Rolling this out, that lays pretty flat just the first time. Let's try it a second time. Yeah, still's got a little bit of stuff there, but definitely a few times and it's probably gonna be good, although this is the side that's a little bit more rolled up. So you do have to roll it out a little bit. However, possibly if they did some flat packaging, that would remove that from it. We're also seeing, I don't love this, we're seeing a little bit, it's hard for the camera to really see it, but it's kind of like bunching up right there. So I don't know about that. We'll have to see that. But so far it's not looking great for this, but I can say I really like the texture on top. It really is just this rolling out technique that I think needs to be sorted out. Okay, that's getting a lot better. I would say with a few more, but you can see right here, I don't know if it is coming out on video, but it has a little bit of like those stress lines. So we'll see about that. But it's pretty flat. I do absolutely love the branding there. It's small, it's in the corner, it's sideways. I think it's really, really attractive, and I absolutely love that. I love the color. It is extraordinarily vibrant, much more so than on camera. This is the Logitech G Pro X Superlight 2. Let's see how it does on here. Okay, initial impressions. Still have good stopping power. Nothing crazy stopping power, but pretty good. And it's definitely faster, although not quite as fast as I was expecting. Not quite as fast as like the Glorious Fire, which I didn't absolutely love, but this one I actually like more than that one initially. The Fire also had this strange sound and feel that it gave, which this one still feels a little bit stiffer, but faster, but not overly fast. I do like this. I'm excited to use this one in game. So with that, let's get to it. This is the Pulsar Paracontrol. This comes in at $19.95 for a large. It's package rolled up, and honestly, it does take a little bit to get this rolled out. And since it's a hybrid pad, you're really gonna wanna lay books on it. I initially tried to roll it out, but it was kind of doing some, weird creases on it. So I kind of wish I hadn't done that. So use books if you're gonna get this mouse pad. Now, this is like the ultra budget version of like the Control 2, since they're both hybrid pads. Texture overall is fairly smooth with a slight texture to the weave. It is still a hybrid pad though, so it's gonna be much more than a cloth. The up and down is smoother than the left and right movements, but for the price, I'm not sure that would be a massive concern to me. And this has a medium fast glide, being a bit faster than the Control 2 with a bit less control. And the stopping power is good, but nothing crazy like the Control 2 was. It's basically just a less refined, less locked in version than the Control 2, but it still does everything pretty well, especially for the price and being a hybrid pad. And for sure, it's still better than what Glorious did. It's also half the price. Now, I have the large, but there's also a small, medium, XL, and XL sizes with an additional black or bright blue color options, and those are a big deal why I was looking at these, because the colorways are awesome. The red is super vibrant, so that might be worth it for some of you guys in general. If you're looking for a hybrid pad, you don't want to spend big money, but you want sick colorways, it's a good pad, especially for the price.
Again, if you want to check out this exact same product, there's Amazon links below for the US, UK, Canada, and international links. And if you want to check out my main channel with longer form content, you can check that out right here. But this is a consumer tech review, high speed, and I'll see you guys in the next video.